Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to continue with some more digraph sounds like f, th, and v. I will explain you how the sounds are formed. Let us see the first example. The sound of letters P and H together joins to form the sound f. See the examples, it will be more clear to you. Pronounce the words with me. Alphabet. Here, see the highlighted letter PH. The sound f is coming in alphabet in between. Similarly, amphibian. Frog is an amphibian. So, here f is coming in between. Again, dolphin. Here also PH is coming in between, so the sound is coming f. Dolphin. Elephant. It is a very common example. You all have heard and you all have seen this animal. Next, graph. Here this digraph f is coming at the end. Next example is phone. Here it is coming at the beginning. Next is trophy. Again, the f is heard at the end. Now students, once you have understood this, you have to write these words in your copy at least one time to learn the words. It will always help you to do the worksheets or related exercises. Now let's move to next digraph, that is th sound. How this sound is formed? The letter T and H together join to form th. Can you see this image in front of you? This is we are doing for the first time. Till now we have done beginning and ending. But here it is written soft and hard th. What does it mean? It means that soft th sounds as th and hard th words sounds as the. Understood the difference? See the two columns carefully. The upper soft th sounds as th. Words are think, bath, thank, thought, path, thesis, thorn, moth, thermos, thin, math, both. Now see the hard th sounds. It sounds as the. That, than, them, this, there, these, then. Now I think you have got the difference between soft and hard th. Now see the examples in which th sounds comes at the end. Tooth, beneath, path, wreath, broth, breathe, bath, earth, mouth, south, north, strength. These were the th ending words and you can see the picture and relate the words. Now let us see some more examples where th comes at the beginning. The words are like this: theatre, think, thread, thumb, thermos, throw, 13, thunder, throat and thin. All these words are there with pictures. Go through it and try to read. This is the list of th sound words in the beginning and the end. We have already done like this before also. So similar way you have to do it in the English copy. Now move to the next sound, that is v. The letter W and H together join to form the sound v. Let us see the words. Read loudly with me. Whale, waff, watch, wheat, wheel, wheelbarrow, wheelchair, wheeze, when, where, wherever, while, wine, whip, whisk, whiskey, whisper, whistle, white, why. All these words sounds with WH. See some more examples with pictures. Wheelchair, whisk, white, whistle, wheat, wheel, whirl, whisper, wail, why. Here are the words you are going to write in the English copy for your reference later also. You can learn this word accordingly. Let us do some activities now. Students, I think till now you have got clear about the digraph sounds. In this chart, you have to choose the correct digraph for the picture given. Let me explain you. See the first example, whale, the sound of V you can hear, so you will tick WH digraph. See the next one, it's the picture of chair, so digraph CH will be the correct one. See the next picture, here one digraph is given and 3 pictures are given. You have to choose a correct picture and tick. This much you will do, and we will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.